Welcome to our chemistry class. Our topic today is the periodic table. We are going to learn how elements are arranged, how they are grouped, and how we can use the periodic table to understand chemical behavior. When elements were being discovered, scientists realized the need to arrange them logically. This led to the creation of the periodic table, a classification system for all 118 known elements. The periodic table is arranged in order of increasing atomic number. It consists of rows called periods and columns called groups. The position of an element in the table reveals its electronic configuration. There are 8 groups and 7 periods in the periodic table. Each element is represented by a unique chemical symbol. Group 1 elements are alkali metals. Group 2 are alkaline earth metals. Group 4 contains semimetals. Group 7 are halogens. And Group 8 are noble gases. The large middle block contains transition metals. Elements in the same group all have the same number of electrons in their outer shell. For example, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, and potassium are all in group 1 because each of them has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Elements in the same period have the same number of shells. For instance, lithium, carbon, oxygen, and neon all belong to period 2. They each have 2 shells. The periodic table can also be divided into metals and non-metals. Groups 1 to 3 are mostly metals, while groups 4 to 8 are mostly non-metals. Metals usually form positive ions, while non-metals usually form negative ions. The oxidation number of an element can often be predicted from its group. Group 1 has +1. Group 2 has +2. Group 3 has +3. From Group 4 onwards, we usually have negative values until Group 8, which is 0. Let us now practice with an example. We are asked to find the group and period of the element with atomic number 15. The element is phosphorus. To determine the group and element, the first step is to write its electronic configuration. Phosphorus electronic configuration is 2, 8, 5. The number of valence electrons is 5. This means phosphorus is in group 5. The number of shells is 3. This means phosphorus belongs to period 3. Now, let us try another example. Find the group and period of the element with atomic number 12. Its configuration is 2, 8, 2. Here, the valence electrons are 2. So magnesium is in group 2. The number of shells is 3. This means magnesium is in period 3. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. Here are the remaining part of the evaluation questions. Study and answer the questions above. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.